Today I'm sharing with you my new desk cubby. My husband built this for me. It took him about 4 days total to make, and I literally drew the concept idea onto a small piece of scratch paper and handed it to him, and then I sent him some pictures from Pinterest of things I liked, and so he pretty much put together all of my ideas into one cohesive space. This actually measures 48 inches by about 12 inches deep, and overall height's probably about 18 to 23 inches or so. I'm not real sure, I should measure the back. The wood used was all from remodeling our pantry. If you saw pictures on my Facebook page, they're there. I should try to post some of those on Instagram as well and on Pinterest. All of my social media links can be found on my blog, lorettarodger.com, and they're on the upper left-hand side above the blog header. This, once again, where my spinner is on my far right, and this is toward the middle. I do have a wireless keyboard for my computer, and that comes in really handy. This is perfect, though, to have it where I can watch videos or listen to an ebook or things like that, and it's out of my way, so my work surface is clear. These drawers are mostly labeled. This is the only one that isn't, and this is going to be containing some small acrylic blocks. And then these cubbies are obviously for paper storage, but right there is a cubby that's going to continually house my two Misties. Those are most incredible stamping tool invented. I will leave a link down below for those as well. Then we have scraps of paper that are in these slots, and then the plates for my small Gemini Go are there. And then these, all the way to the right, are scraps of white cardstock, card bases, and things of that nature. And then this piece over here, which does pull out quite easily, contains things like stamp sets that I use on a regular basis, mostly the small sentiment stamps. There's some glue, adhesive, pop dots, and things of that nature. And then way in the back, let's see if we can zoom in, is an extra tape runner, along with the little gray thing you see there is actually a punch for using with your Happy Planner. So if you're unsure of whether or not you want to buy a more expensive punch, you can use that instead and then just mark the holes. I do have a video on that as well. So as we come back, the top shelf has my baby wipes and a label maker, which of course I use all the time. You see my hard drive sitting there behind my computer. Normally when I'm sitting here, you don't see that at all. I had some lace type placemats that I bought somewhere online, and I just use that underneath my computer. I am absolutely loving this. And then as we come back, you are going to start seeing my studio lights. And then you're going to see some mess because I haven't finished cleaning my room today. But that is my die cutting area over there to my left, where the window is. And then there is my Crafter's Companion Go machine. I do use it quite frequently. It was a present from my youngest son, Chad, for Christmas. This was a really, really great use of leftover supplies, and I appreciate my husband's love and support of my hobby. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos on your social media. Happy and be a blessing. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.